We start with a strip of aluminium. Attach a right angle bracket to one end. I used a curtain rail bracket. This was riveted to the strip. We mark 2 holes to match the amplifier, one there and one here. 2 sets of nuts and bolts are used. The strip is attached to the front of the amplifier. The curtain bracket is positioned to match the car space. The bracket will be bolted to the car. Tighten the 2 nut and bolt sets. The curtain bracket will be bolted right there. You will see why the bracket is spaced away from the end of the amp. The amplifier sits on the padding. It's just one bolt will be secure enough and it stops it moving around. Even over large bumps, the amp stays in place. Reinstall your boot trim. Plenty of room for ventilation as well. This shows where the amp is if you had no parcel shelf. I put that back in after I fixed the fuel pump. We saved lots of space, and so now we can add a massive subwoofer. Thanks for watching.